Hey guys, Itskirby here. Holy cow. How do YouTubers manage to do this? Alright, well, this is an older video I had a while back. If you guys can tell, I obviously look different. You know, this is back when I actually had a haircut. Which, yeah, this is a mess, but it was just me and my grandfather. We both needed to clean our headlights, and I hated the intro I did, so I'm just gonna redo it with this one. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. I worked semi-hard on this, and I actually did physical labor during this video. So, and also, this was back when I was a little bit more, you know, self-conscious, you know, didn't like how I looked. I still look like a homeless bum, but so I'm gonna try to cut out most of me as I can, and you guys actually enjoy the video. And I'm sorry if I'm looking, I don't know if I'm supposed to look at the camera of this. I'm new to this whole vlog thing, just saying. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, it's Itskirby here. This is a little bit different of a video than I'm used to, and I'm sorry for the bad quality. I'm on my phone, but today I'm going to be comparing a sandpaper job versus a actual kit you can buy from about any other store for your headlights. See which actually one cleans better. We're going to be doing the kit on my Colorado. We're going to be doing the sandpaper on the F250. So I thought this would just be a fun video to do for you guys, because I got to clean the whole thing. So might as well make a vlog out of it. See, my headlights are not too good, and the F250's getting there. So we're going to do the sandpaper on this because it's not as bad. And we're doing the full kit on this because, frankly, this needs it worse than any other vehicle. I'm sorry if this seems weird. I'm not used to recording on a phone. I usually use a GoPro, but I forgot it. So let's just go ahead and get this stuff started. For this stuff, I just grabbed a bunch of cleaning products we had. Sandpaper. Because I'm cleaning my whole truck today. Nothing's stopping me from that. So, sandpaper we're going to use on his 2000 and 3000, which, yeah, I hope that works. And everything else that we're going to use for mine. And then also, I got a vacuum. I'm going to vacuum the truck. So, hold on, I don't know if it's like, got the kit and everything ready. I don't know why I came with a glove, but let's do this.
But I'm going to sand it a little bit. See what happens.
Yeah, well, that was the plan. First step of mine is cleaning it, so we're just going to use some of this and clean it up real quick. With 1000 grit first, go in a back and forth pattern. And that's the water, so we're just going to use this instead of water. Alright, let's go test this out. With the 1000, which is, I'm guessing 1000 grit, it says to use 3000. So this is basically just same as using sandpaper. He's done already because he only had 2. I have basically 4. So it's
pretty good.
For something that you only paid, what? I'm guessing I did 15 bucks for the sandpaper. I think I spent 15 bucks for the sandpaper. And I've spent $7 on this kit, so far seems to be doing good for you. Do clear coat now or get all of them done?
You need to do it some more.
Do that one some more?
Well, what's that stuff?
Oh, I just need to wipe that off.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'll go over. Truck done while I'm still working.
Looks like it's running down or something over there. I don't understand.
Do you want to take the clear coat I have since I have another wipe?
I'm gonna get it all off first.
All right.
I'm gonna let it dry and see what happens.
All right. If you say so. They're all clean. They're just fogging up. So I'll put the clear coat on here in a couple minutes. I'm gonna go get the other side. Yeah. So I'm gonna get the inside and the rims done. You want me to do your rims and stuff too?
Yeah, but maybe let it cool down. Wait till it gets in the shade.
Yeah, we're fine. I'm fine. I don't know about you, but I'm fine.
Me a lighter shirt on.
I'm gonna use that to vacuum, but one issue with the Colorados and pretty much every other truck, it decays right here, and also dirt from me. So I'm gonna need an actual vacuum for this, and then I gotta wipe this stuff down too. So I'm doing all this while the headlights are drying. Then I can go put the clear coat on. All right, I'm done vacuuming the inside. Time to wipe these down and the inside with these. Just something random I picked up. Issue with 07 Colorado is, well, a 07 LT. Not everything is cloth like this. Half of it's plastic leather. So cleaning this is a bit more difficult than actual leather, I guess you can say. At least I've always had issues with it, but I'm guessing that's just because it's my truck. But, alright, time to get back at it. Sucks. Plastic's fading. No way to... Grams heard me complaining about all this. So he went to go get Armor All, I think it is. Yeah, I don't know where he went. But he went to do that. There he comes. But hopefully that's gonna fix all this up. I hope. Alright, well, gotta get every crevice of this thing, since this stuff is made for everything. Oh god, my truck's gonna smell like this. It smells like ass, but it's worth it for the shine. For the shine. And we got the dash looking all shiny.
Yeah.
But now we just gotta get that.
You got to get
ready.
that. See it there? That's where I squirted it.
Right where?
Up on the dash.
Oh, yeah. What does he want me to do?
Alright, you see the difference in here and here?
Yeah.
That's what it does. And it stays like that for a while. I want to see what it did on this one.
Alright, here.
Let's see what it did on there.
Black to gray really fast.
Huh?
That used to be black.
Yeah.
It's gray now. I don't know why it faded so much. I think...
I don't believe it was something. It wouldn't have turned like that.
Weird.
Huh?
That explains a lot. I thought it was originally black. I didn't know it would be gray. Strange. Update. That's what I've done. That's what I've not done yet. And we're still waiting for these. They stay kind of fogged up. So we're going to put that clear coat on and hopefully that'll change it. Just got home. Everything's done. I have to clean up the chrome a little bit more just because it got smeared a little bit. I'm going to clean those up again tomorrow. You guys can kind of see it right there and right there where it didn't really get through. But I'm going to get all that and do the paint tomorrow. So this thing's going to be completely clean. Hey guys, this is Itskirby. This is me after I'm done editing the video. I still gotta throw this intro or outro in, but I need to tell you guys very important before you start this whole thing. Please put tape around your headlights. I didn't do that, and what I thought was smears on my chrome was actually scuffs from the sandpaper. So please do that. And I redid this job, the headlight job on my father's 07 or 08 Honda Pilot. And what you should do is start from 1,000, go to 2,000, get the sandpaper that I bought, go to 2,000, and then go to that 3,000. And go over about 5 times with each sandpaper. And the first 3 times you go over it, use glass cleaner, and then the last 2, use water. That's what I did, and it got a really good shine. And then afterwards, if you get the pack that has all the stuff in it, use that clear coat and you'll be fine. It worked really well for the Pilot. I wish I could put a picture up, but obviously you learn. And most of this video, other than like me not putting tape up, that's the only mistake I really did, and I wanted to make sure you guys didn't make same mistake as me and, you know, mess up your paint or something like that. Luckily you didn't mess up my paint, but it did mess up my chrome. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. I know it's awful. I just got done editing it, and it's very cringe, but who cares? If you like it, put a thumbs up. Just like it, please. I'm desperate.